Want to create your own AI buddy on WhatsApp? A new feature lets you build custom chatbots with unique personalities. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this awesome AI update hitting the beta testers now. Stick around to learn how to make your own bot. GadInsider, your go-to for tech, gadgets, and AI breakthroughs. WhatsApp's rolling out a Create an AI feature to select Android beta testers, letting you craft personalized AI chatbots using Meta's AI Studio, the same tech behind Instagram and Messenger bots. WA Beta Info says it's coming to more users soon, so let's see how it works. Here's the deal. Open the Create an AI option. Write a 1,000 character prompt for your bot's purpose, like a travel planner or meme generator. Pick personality traits like witty or helpful, or create your own. Then choose an avatar. Use a photo or generate one with text. Meta AI Studio builds your bot, and you're ready to chat one-on-one. Why is this cool? You can make a bot for anything. Study tips, fitness motivation, or just fun banter. Experts are hyped, with beta testers sharing quirky bots, although sharing with others isn't live yet. This could make WhatsApp the ultimate AI playground. With 2 billion users, WhatsApp's AI push is huge, following features like AI profile pictures and logout options. No word on a full rollout, but beta testers on Android v2.25.18.4 are loving it. iOS beta's also in on the action. GadInsider fam, what kind of AI bot would you create on WhatsApp? Drop your ideas in the comments, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.